Understanding rope dynamics in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of phrases with a look at rope dynamics. This may sound like a specialized term, but we'll explore its meaning and usage in everyday English. Rope dynamics generally isn't a phrase you'll find in a casual conversation. It's a compound noun that's more technical. A rope is a long, thick cord made from strands of fiber or wire twisted together. Dynamics refers to the forces that stimulate growth, development, or patterned movements. When we combine them, we're usually talking about the science of how ropes move and behave under different conditions. Sometimes, rope dynamics could be used metaphorically. In this sense, it might refer to the complex interactions in a situation that involves many different influences, much like how a rope's movement can be affected by various forces. For example, in a team project, understanding the rope dynamics could mean recognizing each member's influence on the project's outcome. Let's put our phrase into some practical contexts. In a physical sense, someone learning about climbing or sailing might study rope dynamics to understand how ropes behave under stress. Metaphorically, a business leader might consider the rope dynamics of their team to ensure that every member is working effectively. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of rope dynamics and how you might encounter or use this phrase. Keep practicing your English, and soon, you'll be handling the dynamic language ropes like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.